Hello everyone, welcome to the Java programming series. In this tutorial we are going to see how to add two number. So here we will ask user to enter their input, then we will try to add them. So what we'll do, first of all just go and we are going to copy same line because we have to again use a scanner. Here we are going to give the message like enter first number. So that value we are going to use for storing int number 1 equal to reader dot next int. So it will hold the first value. So again what I will do, I'm just going to copy this line and I'm going to paste here. I'm going to change the message like enter second number, and here we have to change that as a 2. Now how we will add them? So I will going to create a new variable like total. Here I'll use number 1 plus number 2, so it will combine both value. Now we need to print and we have to check like okay it's correct or wrong. So just use total value, then I'm going to print here total. So now we have to run our program. Just click here and run. So now you can see in console it is asking enter the first number. I'm going to enter 12. Next enter the second number. I'm going to enter 4. So what will be like total 16. So I'm expecting the output will be 16, right? You can see the output is 16. So this is a way to ask input from the user. So if you are writing any program, if you want to use a scanner, you can use for asking the input from the user. I hope you liked that video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.